believe what I just discovered, and this might actually change your entire channel. So apparently, if you use or remix another creator's sound, you help them go viral. But here's the crazy part. If their sound blows up, your video gets pushed too, which means you also have a chance to go viral. But wait, it gets better. Most people don't even know this yet. So here's the deal. Use this sound, and let's test it together. If this works, we all win. Small creators helping small creators. That's how we grow. And I'm not just saying that. I'll personally comment on every single video that uses this sound. Yes, every single one. So go ahead, use the sound, post your video, and let's see who goes